you lift yourself up? Oh. Oh, you're gonna brush your teeth? Hi! Oh, thanks for sharing! Thank you! You're gonna eat your toe? Did that taste good? Did that taste good? Yeah? I want my toothbrush. Oh, goodness. Can you lift up on the bathtub? Can you show everybody how you lift up? Milo? Can you say Walker? Walker! Really? That's interesting. Wow. Oh, what'd you find? It's a gold coin that Marmee gave you. Is that the coin that Marmee gave you? Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Can you lift up and get him? Oh, there he goes. He's halfway. That's all he wants to go, and he's about to fall. He doesn't want to go anymore. Oh, yay! There he goes. Halfway. Let's see if we can see his feet. Oh, we can't. All right, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. See you later. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Go. Milo.